But it was reported that sometime after, some minutes to 7 last night, a female came to the station and reported that she was at home along with her spouse when she was attacked by a man with a knife. There was a struggle, and her spouse came to her assistance, and he cut her and ran away. So this was a female who came to the station and identified the man as Vivian Bryan, who is known to her. So while the police were in the process of treating with that matter, a female, turned out to be Felicia's mom, ran to the station and said her daughter was at home, her 9-year-old daughter, and she can't find her. So they took her report and they started searching for her along with members of the community. To understand, they searched all night, checks were made, and it is reported that the same male who attacked the female earlier, Vivian Bryan, was seen with the child. So they are currently still searching for him. They said he's known in the community as 45-year-old Vivian Bryan. I don't know if he's originally from the community, but we understand that he is from Portland. He's currently on bail on a case of illegal cause and is reporting on condition in St. Thomas. So
did you say illegal possession of a firearm?
Firearm. That's a matter he was charged for in Portland, but he's reporting on condition in Bath. So maybe that's why he's there. But at the moment,
just before you go on to have the basics clear, so with the incidents last evening, these are two separate incidents. One in which this person who is a person of interest in the matter?
Well, the person is being thought as a person of interest in relation to the abduction of the child. And they're
aware that the child was missing. At what point?
The child was at home, and then when she checked, she didn't see the child, and she recognized that something was wrong. So based on what the police said, that she ran to the station and just reported it, and they started the search immediately.
Is there a connection, to the best of your knowledge, between the person of interest and the mother?
We have not yet established all of those yet. I think where most of the emphasis right now is to see if they could really find Felicia. They said at the time she was taken, she was wearing a white blouse and a blue short. And if anyone probably have any information, anybody see a male with a child anywhere that fits the description, what she was wearing, we will be circulating her photograph being circulated by our Ananda Alert. So it will be going around that if anybody sees a child anywhere, to just make contact with the Bath Police or 119, the nearest police station,